Hello and welcome to this recording. We're using a Teamviewer meeting in this particular occasion, and what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be looking at how we can engage with a tablet as a client computer and show them around some aspects of the website here. The website itself we've got the Teamviewer here. This is the setup, and it's quite a useful piece of software because we can you can see yourself on the computer. Oddly enough, in this particular instance, I can see the computer, and I can see the cam, and I can see everything going on the screen, which is really helpful. So we can see all this information. We can see the screen being duplicated here, and we have our computer client here. Hi, this is me. Not particularly helpful, but all good fun. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is just going to scroll down the screen, because one of the greatest things that we really want to be using this for is information on what's called benefits. Now, the benefits information section here, we can just click on, for example, benefits entitlement, and see on both computers the change. We can go to a lot of different bits of information there. It comes back in, there we go, just one click of a button and we're back on screen. Yep. So it can happen, little disasters. But we can have those moments where we can go to things like the benefits calculator with our client. We can click on the button and their computer has changed as well. So you'll see everything in very much real time there. And from that, obviously, we can look at JSA, we can look at our different entitlements, and just by click of the button we've moved the JSA. So using the different screens, we have JSA on the screen, computers 1 and 2, and that automatically means that the client is seeing information that they're after as well. We can chat to the customer as well. The customer may wish to give us guidance as to the information they need. So we can say on our main screen, hi, and the client will get that level of communication, as we can see. And we can say, for example, something as simple as the words help. As often as exactly what we need is help, we can send that information to John in this case. And as you can see on both screens here and on the tablet, the information is being transmitted. Number of advantages: they're concerned, or you're concerned, or whoever's dealing with whatever. The software allows us to do as much and produce as much information as that. We can talk via VoIP, so that can be muted or not muted depending on how you look at it. You can have the whiteboard if that's required. Probably isn't likely to be as required, but from the perspective of things like claiming, which is what we may be using this for, it gives us a whole variety of options that may not have been used so much recently by IT. I'm hoping this video has given you some ideas of what we can actually give information wise. If you're a client, you can see what you'll get on your computer, your tablet. From the main side, that you can see exactly what the other person is seeing as well. So I'm hoping it's a little bit of information that may support you as you look at gov.uk and you look at the welfare benefits side of it from our website. Thanks so much indeed for taking the time to watch this particular video.